Good morning students. In last video we had discussed about different type of charts and components of a chart. In this video we will continue with charts in MS Excel. In this video you will learn about how to create a chart, moving and resizing a chart, and how to change chart type. Then let us start with how to create a chart. The steps to create a chart are: select the cell range you want to chart, including column titles. Under Insert tab in Chart group, click on Desired Chart. When you click on any of the chart type, it shows the subtype of that chart. Like this. Here we have selected column chart. Select the chart subtype from the drop down list and the chart appears on the worksheet like this. When you click on chart, two new tabs named as Design and Format appear under Charts tool category. These tabs can be used to change the design and format the chart. Then in this way you can create your chart in MS Excel. Now let's learn how to move and resize a chart. A chart created on the worksheet can be moved and resized. To move a chart on the worksheet, first point mouse cursor anywhere on the chart area. It converts into moving handle like this. Then click and drag the chart to new location. Now next is how to resize a chart. To resize a chart on the worksheet, put mouse cursor on the corner of the chart and drag it diagonally to increase or decrease the size of your chart. After creating a chart, you can change the chart type. If you want to change the chart type, for example, in the previous example we have taken the column chart. If you want to change that column chart into bar chart, then first of all select the chart on the worksheet. Just Chart tools having Design and Format tab appear on the ribbon. Click on Design tab. Then in the Type group, click on Change Chart Type button. When you click on Change Chart Type button, it shows the Change Chart Type dialog box. In Change Chart Type dialog box, select the new chart in the left pane and its subtype in the right pane. And then click on OK button. And your chart will convert it to bar chart. Now let's see how to change the chart style. Design tab provides a library of chart styles to select. Just select the chart and apply the desired style. Now let's see how to format a chart. A chart can be formatted to change its appearance. A chart can be formatted by changing its font, text, color, border style, and other properties. The steps to format the chart are: first, point the mouse and right click on chart area if you want to format the chart area, or plot area if you want to format the plot area, and select the format chart area or format plot area option. For example, here we have taken format chart area. The format chart area pane appears on the right of the worksheet. There are two categories: chart option and text option. By default, chart option is selected. In the chart option category, you can format the different subcategories like fill and line, effect, and size and properties of the chart. In the text option category, you can format the subcategories like text, fill and outline, text effect, and text box. Select the required category. For example, chart option, and select the required value in different subcategories. After setting the various subcategories, we can get changes in the chart. As you know, an axis in a chart contains the values, and according to that, a chart is plotted. In Excel, most of the charts have x-axis and y-axis. You can customize the axis scale as per your requirement. For example, in this chart, in the value axis, it means the y-axis, the maximum number of cars sold in different cities is 12 lakhs. But if you want to change this scale to 20 lakh, then the steps are: point the mouse and right click on the value axis. For example, right click on Y axis and select the format axis option from the menu. The format axis pane appears on the right of the worksheet. There are two categories: axis options and text options. By default, axis option is selected. In the axis options category, click on axis option subcategory. In the maximum text box, replace the value by 20 lakh. Like this. Close the pane. And see the changes in the y-axis values in the chart. Here the y-axis values increased to 20 lakhs. Now let's move to back exercise. First of all, MCQ. First one, a chart is a graphical presentation of dash, spreadsheet, workbook, data, and numbers. And the answer is data. The dash contains all parts of a chart: column chart, chart area, pie chart, bar chart. And answer is chart area. Which of the following is part of a chart? Data series, legend, chart title, all of these. And the answer is all of these. To resize a chart, put the mouse cursor on the corner of the chart and drag it vertically, horizontally, diagonally, all of these, and answer is diagonally. Fifth, the task can show only one series of data. And options are bar chart, column chart, pie chart, bar chart, and answer is pie chart. So these are the MCQs. Now let's move to fill in the blanks. A dash is a graphical form of data. Answer is chart. A dash displays the data in the form of horizontal bars. And answer is bar chart. Dash shortcut key creates a chart on a separate worksheet in a workbook. And answer is F11. We can dash the data easily in a chart. Analyze. We can analyze the data easily in a chart. A dash is useful to show percentage or parts of a whole. Pie chart. So these are the fill-ups. Now next, tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong one. In a line chart, data is plotted in a form of line. It's true or false? It's a true. Correct. In a pie chart, data is displayed in a form of squares. Answer is wrong. Next, x-axis of a chart is also known as category axis. Yes, it's a true. The variation of a chart are called chart subtypes. Yes, it's true. Chart styles are found under Design tab. Yes, it's a true. Now next, move to match the chart type in column A with correct use in column B. Here are your options: bar chart, pie chart, line chart, area chart, and XY chart. In column B, the options are given there. First of all, bar chart compares several items for a range of values. Option A. Second, pie chart shows percentage or parts of a whole. Option E. Line chart shows a change of trends over the time. Option B. Area chart compares the magnitude or impact of items over a time duration. Option is C. And last, XY chart combines X and Y values and shows them correlate for each item. So the correct sequence is first A, E, B, C, and D. So this is a correct sequence of your option. So that's all for today. Thank you.